I'm bad, bad. Come close to me. Listen. You have to be so secure with yourself. Okay? And whatever it is you got going on, whatever it is you do, that when somebody approaches you with well, you can't do that, and she'll never be that, and he ain't going to do that. Whether they're saying it in the ether or they're saying it to you, your spirit has to glow and radiate, whether you hear it here, here, or here. The hater, you need to put up a barrier, an invisible barrier that says, I call my power back to me from all places, entities, and things unknown and known to me, and I return to sender 20 times fold. Any negativity, send my way. Now, if you say pray it out, you gonna watch. You gonna see people that you didn't even know was hating on you, and you're gonna be revealed.